Welcome, this is part 4 of the Banana Hobbies SR-71 Blackbird, the review. We just got done installing the ESC, and in this case the ESCs, and the electrical part seems to be working good. Now we're in the process of putting this back together. Make sure you go back and watch part 1, 2, and 3 if you're interested. I've had to think about this for a second, but I have an idea that how these wheels go back in if it's been longer than 5 minutes ago. Well, don't remember always. Okay, let's give that a test. Power on, throttle down. See if our retracts are working. Looks good. Solid. Very good. We're almost to the point where we can safely, I think, glue the rest of this body together here. We got those in. Now we're gonna flip her over here, and now we got to be careful for those stabs. Going to turn on the transmitter and get our battery ready to go. Looks good, sounds good. Let's try our retracts out. Very good. Okay. Looks like our next step is going to be to take it outside and put it on the driveway and see what that looks like. And then after that, we'll worry about cleaning up the body of it. Okay, we're just outside here and just have a tripod for the camera, and I'm not going to have the best pictures here for you, but we're just going to see if it moves on grass at all, or does it really need a runway. That all seems to work good. Okay, well, let's I'll give it some up elevator here and give it some throttle, and we'll see if we can at least move it across the screen on here, which might happen pretty quickly or not at all. Oh, definitely had no problem moving on the grass. With that kind of speed already, I think this is going to be able to take off on the grass. I heard a lot of people talking about it being underpowered, but that moved pretty fast on my 2.5 inch long grass, so we'll see. Okay, next video will be probably taking it off and getting it on its maiden flight and testing, and then doing some trim on it. That's it for part 4. Thanks for joining in. Make sure you read or watch part 1 and part 2 and 3 on the review of the Banana Hobby Blackbird SR-71. Hi, I just wanted to add one more part to this at the end. We were talking about the power of this SR-71. Now, I want to show you the size a little bit too. Now, I'm about 5'10" and a half or so, and I go 200 some pounds, so I'm not a small guy. It's a pretty good sized plane. So what I wanted to do was give you an idea on how much power this has, because we were goofing around with this, and this is not a fresh battery either. I've been goofing around playing, but we wanted to just give it a little bit of shot up here so you can get an idea. So that's about half throttle, not much there. But what I found pretty much amazing on this thing was when I gave it full throttle, we actually got this thing to move. This thing has enough power to pull itself straight up. That's pretty decent if you ask me. Again, Blackbird SR-71 from Banana Hobby. You know, I have nothing to do with Banana Hobby, and I just got it from them, and I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what you're dealing with when you buy one. And so far, everything's been pretty good. All we had was a bad ESC. Banana Hobby swapped that out within 10 days at the most from shipping. And I'm in Milwaukee to California, so most of that time was just getting it here. So far, so good. So we're gonna get it out to the field, get it on its maiden flight, trim it, see if we can get it to stay up in the air.